Welcome to today's video on BIM Collab Pro. I'll be explaining how versioning and comparing models in the construction cloud can be far more efficient than using files saved on a local server or a local drive. Quite often, finding the most latest version of a file can be a nightmare, especially if there's more than one person working in that file. You might have a duplicate as a backup in case a client wants to make changes and revert to the original, and you may also be using a central file saved on a server where you have your local copies saved to. BIM Collab Pro can solve all these issues. By storing all your files in the cloud, it makes it extremely easy to revert to a previous version. So let's say your client prefers an older design from 3 months ago. You can open up versions and make the file from 3 months ago the current version. You can repeat this process as many times as you like. Now with the version history open, I can make a copy. I can also download the source file, and I can also compare versions. There's a few ways you can compare versions. The first one is going to your project file and opening the version history. From here, I can go ahead and select compare versions and select the two I want to compare. This makes it extremely easy to compare the progress of your project and if your client's asking to see what changes have been made over time. Or I can just select a 3D view. The elements that have been added are in green, elements that have been removed are in red, and elements that have been modified are in yellow. I can filter those by turning them on and off, only see what I want to see. I can also see each version side by side, making it very easy to explore and compare. I can select any view that I want to compare. In the compare interface, you've got the changes that are tracked just here. So you've got added, which you can turn on and off, the removed or modified, and coming down below you can also view each version side by side. Now another way to compare versions is by going to Design Collaboration. Just going to open the timeline so I can see our structural model. Now I can see something's been created here. If I go to Explore, Sets, Full Set, you can see here I've created an issue and a markup previously. Now I can go ahead and compare the markup to the most recent version. As you can see, BIM Collab Pro is far better at managing your projects, comparing your project at different stages, and gives you more time to focus on designing. If you have any questions, please reach out via our website. Thank you for watching.